they call me somewhere I they play music. Who be this person? Hello, please, I'm online. Hello? Koyobo, where you are live programming now. You program you are loud now. Okay. Close that door for me.
I just
Anybody don't call me oh Emini Atana. I call him now. Hello, who be this? Good morning, yeah. Good morning. Yeah. Yeah. I never start waiting. I want waiting, no understand because okay, but before I start, may I just talk to you maybe here. So, okay, wait, my person. So, wait till it happen. Wait till I the guest come. Now, now wait. Now the proof where I see. No, now this person give her the voice record. Now I say people may go beat staff of the way they take the phone. The boys will go beat her. Now I collect the phone. Now I collect the staff phone. Now inside the phone they can't see her. Now the phone where they thief. The time they take beat Esther, but you watch me now. I want talk soon. Now I take beat and then the phone. The phone where they thief. Your watch and go talk now. Now that one now they take see her. Now people go no. Now so that make people take get all those things. All those things. Now I want talk soon. I dey hear no be say no I no dey join Monica na wish. Monica no Monica na wish. You know say Monica wait Monica na wish. May I tell you that one. Monica wey native doctor leak it to. Monica na wish na Monica dey leak it bekus. That one na true banker. Ask them Monica don sit down for Ambrose said leave that one never dey Monica. Monica na confirm. Monica that belle listen to me. May I tell you Monica na beg woman wey sit down for my head. Monica native doctor fuck am. Monica cannot fit deny that one. Me here do I get proof where the break come out. If that one leave Monica, not Monica I want to talk today. I want to disgwagwa Skimia. I want to disgwagwa Esther Dokpali. I want to disgwagwa Destiny Batwa because of all the evil plan where they plotted against they plot evil against Ebony Obasuji. They plot evil against Sadabol. They plot evil against many people for the record we can't come out many now. Where they plot evil against where they use Ronaldo say I want disgwagwa them. So for see so may you know what you're listening about. No worry, watch am. As you don't, I don't expect that to watch am. Okay, yeah. Yeah, Mona, watch this video. I want to pick up the one no we on banner. Yeah, to everybody now, I want to talk about this issue where involve Destiny, Ebagwa, and what? Esther, Edokpaji, Skimmy, what? Yeah, Skimmy, yeah. Now we in Skimmy, yeah. And the fuck up. So now, I want to disgwagwa them. Yeah, disgwagwa, yeah. I want to disgwagwa them very soon now. And pick up and I'll call him now, my person. From Nigeria. Hello. I want to discover these people before I start this issue. Call him. They pick I want to call him. Yes, this time don't reach. Where we are the talk show. Want discover this group of people. Now you said this thing well. May I set them well because I want you to discover in a good way. Because I want to tell them, Baba thing what they do. Before I start, Shema, I'm call him now. Man, me I'll disguagua them in a bad way. Because complication. So I want disguagua them now. Disguagua destiny bagua. Disguagua skimia. Disguagua Esther Dokbayi. And disguagua many more others who are evil doer to our land. You understand? Now I make a scene today. I want to talk about so now Destiny Bagua asking somebody when I see say we had to talk show the verse one why they bring the naked picture come out. But we had to talk show stand to defend, to fight for the land of our Benin Kingdom, to defend what? Our human rights. Now be me, we had to talk show. I don't want where be say I don't want any man where become evil to the land of Benin and the same man me who had to touch on the verse make them not bring the private part as they bring the private part not join but where bring and come out and I see verse for that bringing of the private part out and I see verse they are not join Monica because Monica is sit down for my head and me I not want to have hear that one I not join Monica because Monica native daughter fuck Monica they beg Monica so Monica I know that one problem because I know say they beg them. I know that one they licking twinkle Monica, which is confirmed. I know they join Monica and they fight for the land of Benin Kingdom and they fight for justice. I know because Monica na evil because they first twinkle that one. That one where they twinkle little stand. We were they twinkle and never day your own. I know they twinkle you. You they try bring out something. They say you want to do some good thing, but you still get problem because they don't twinkle you. The gods are angry from letting daughter to twinkle. Yeah, Destiny Bagua. Destiny Bagua come when I call Destiny Bagua come. When I call Esther Dokbaji come. Esther Dokbaji, a song singer, a songwriter, and a what? A good song singer, a man where they sing, a woman where they sing music. Esther Dokbaji became what? A big center. They say in Winesuno, now you might be the devil. I don't imagine a devil, one of the destroyer for Benin Kingdom. Before I go to Destiny, I want for you to talk to Esther. When I call Esther Dokbayi. When I know say Esther Dokbayi. Na evil man. Esther Dokbaji na evil woman. Esther Dokbaji with her life have been a wicked woman doing a back. Oh, Obara top he said Ebonatio will tell Doni on Winagbe. Heje, Enika Evie. Eboni na King will tell Doni. Oria Bonoria Kinwa. Eboni also Wayawela Kina. Of you are Yala Diana. Emanilia Bible. It's dry. Esther, Ogawa say, Uwena wa esun. Ita we man is in Wales and we gospel. Enya esun. Manana. No one will kimala kiawe. My Jesus, my traditional men. My Oyo Salobano Sagiagon. No one no dollar guye dollar bonji. Ben wa mi Esther was asking Esther Dokbaji. Esther Dokbaji. She's satanic. Esther Adokpaji, you know. You don't feel confess. They don't come let me talk with you. I want to talk. Make you all chill. No, your hey, leave there. Leave there. Bourgeois. Oh yeah, mukpa do amu we no mu. Mukpa. Carry go. Go to play. Mo lele omomo. Mo aye be mu. Are you Ciao. But there no better. Small. You know. I don't say. Small. Esther Adokpaji no wasi one. Esther Adokpaji na evil to Benin kingdom. Esther Adokpaji ima unda wa ma kamo riavo we to riavo. Always tin to level ji. Hun trauma. Unda me gbina si yo sere nuwa we ne. Na miere ni mie mata bu we na do mie mata no bu. Esther Adokpaji eju we wa se a. Ipa be sun we ya la be unigbe. Evil genius we ya. When I think what the Bible see you down die. Emani boom moving those fellow. Good morning. And nobody come now, never start program, I just start so. Nobody to control. Okay. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay. We thank God. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. No, we will make peace alone. When I tell you what happened, you know the recording. You listening with you do recording where Esther Adokpaji talk. When they do juju, they keep people, they destroy people, like they drop people down, they collect people, this thing, everything you come and that phone. When they send go beat Esther Adokpaji, now they take collect that phone from Adokpaji, and that one we know say na Sandra Agbogun involved for the sending of beating. Yeah, Sandra Agbogun involved for the beating of Esther. So many things are underground, which we say I want begin knock on step by step. As they plan, we meet social media people, wait, presenter, we need to knock on step by step. Because if we don't cure evil doer now, they don't stand. I know so as you good, my brother, God will bless you for the hour. But may I just talk now. So I made a change. May we desist from being an evil. Make our land become a good land, a great land. May our land grow, May we see joy for that Benin kingdom. May we not they see our people. No say they preach say single mother must marry. Many women, many men they put something for matter, they lick their peckles and they stop say men stop to licking peckles. And you can see most of these central great men are the people licking peckles. And now they deceive our women and make our women they not be stay husband as these are the people. That is why I want to disqualify them now. Thank you, okay? Thank you, my brother. No. Hello, my brother. Listen, join me for one word. Anything where they say bring that nakedness come out, I not join that one. Never in my life. As if you talk to me rich, I see stand, I get if you bekus, I not bring if you bekus out. No, but if you know they make it, they appoint one person get bekus, many people get if you bekus. Now, you know, may I tell you one word on that aspect. Iviek Bekus, me get Iviek Bekus. Many people get Iviek Bekus. So there are a lot of people that have Iviek Bekus who can publish, but me as a father, I have a daughter, I can't do it. I have a wife, I cannot do it. So I stand because if they swore to do, yes, he won't, but in my way. You see, many people get Iviek Bekus. Not be said, they know they accuse one because a lot of people have Iviek Bekus. So, no, the person said that give me. Okay, you see, I don't know you get that. If you need to do it by yourself, so my brother, thank you very much. May I knock on? Yeah. So, my people, when I see this issue where we talk about soon, Esther Adokpaji has become an evildoer. Esther Adokpaji, I want you speaking because I don't want you speaking for here for today. I want you speaking. Make people know. This woman, Esther Adokpaji, that will not be small. I'm not going on the 23 for the when they want to do. I must go down. I'm gonna go Manchester, go celebrate that one. No. But we must tell an evildoer she should stand and be truthful. Even though you do juju, protect yourself, protect your land, protect your people. Esther Adokpaji has become the motivation of hating and abetting for people that are doing evil, hating. There's a background to destroy human life. Obiema, people daughter. Esther Adokpaji, not only that, in the movie industry, Esther Adokpaji have joined, contribute to draw a lot of people down, destiny down. Esther Adokpaji, yeah, you know, say I were thinking, man, we are do, me to be me, mama, that way, Matoima, my hand, that way, Matoima, look at the good eyes of the gods. Esther Adokpaji, I want to tell you today. I'm going to share to Esther Adokpaji. Esther Adokpaji, you have started, you have become, or you have engaged, or you are the devil yourself. The event can Lucifer use the devil, Eve, to deceive Adam. Now, destiny was a bad man. You came as the Eve to inculcate more evil because you were the center. The center was the Esther. Esther is the center. Esther Adokpaji is the center. Esther Adokpaji plotted to destroy Ebony Obasunji. He plotted to destroy many movie artists. Esther Adokpaji, I thank the ancestor for my great king, the king who has brought peace to Benin Kingdom, the king who has brought joy, the king who has brought life, the king who said every evil doers of that Benin Kingdom must perish. And I thank all the ancestors, everybody, all the different leaders who came out to swear. I say, Obamega talk. Why? Because the swear has started manifesting. You know what? People they say about Mike Bijore, swear never came off his face. You know how swear till they walk. You see as this swear till they walk. So you first fish, all the other useless people come out. You can't knock the top people now. So swear till they walk on. Now the swear have started walking now. The swear started walking by fishing evil doer, evil genius out of our Benin Kingdom. He fished Esther Adokpaji out now. He fished Esther Adokpaji. They fish them out. You see what this thing they do now. If they charge fish out them before you come clean Mofi Uji, clean Ijore, clean everybody who involved to destroy our land. It can still keep people who say, Mayor Bassett cannot do good thing for Benin land. Yes, because why? We must plan for our children. I can say, I'm advertise our great governor, 4 + 4 = 8, Governor Obaseki. I always advertise you because why? You bring peace to a dollar. Anybody will say, make you not come out for 2020. All I look be that is forward. My able governor, I advertise, that is advisor. Governor Obaseki, 4 + 4 = 8. I give him. So now, on that issue, Esther Adokpaji, now woman, wey know say she get children, she get daughter. Esther Adokpaji take a lot of people name to Babalawo. Not only that, Esther Adokpaji have destroyed a lot of presenters' life. Even a social media president, Esther Adokpaji even plotted evil against social media president. Even if you look at the conversation when this dead girl, Monica, the Monica, the Twinkle Little Star, even when Monica, the Twinkle Little Star play come out, say they bring out the proof come out because who hear those say need proof. Who hear those say need proof before I say una win. Now it's gonna bring out the proof come out. I can't see the girl wey see make her wey dey bed on this girl. Everything dey wey they give me. I can't see who the girl said that for. Not be the girl wey dey swear. Not be said that. I can't see everything. Now I can still say Monica, the Twinkle Little Star. Don't bring out many proof come out now. Me don't play. I can't see say yes. Monica, the Twinkle Little Star. I can't see say she don't try want defend herself. Say who here though the Kokobiri master must know say she get proof. But I know Monica, the Twinkle Star, the little daughter Benga licking leg. I say licking leg. It twinkle down. Abus not be talk for that one. Monica, yes, but it never changed because Monica is still an evil junior. Mona take me now. the only Kokobele master who they yarn the truth as the other level of our kingdom with social media presence to other level 1. Yes, of Cheke Nation now is the other level 1. Where they put so I must give and ask you respect other level 1 social media president. Yes, maybe we hear the talk show to bring peace to our kingdom. Now, Esther Adokpaji, you have become a non-ethnic. Esther Adokpaji, now so you be. My people, I'm not gonna see matter. This issue where I want to talk so. Are you ashamed? Because say some of our present and not they say. Some of our guests, they don't want marry, they remain single mother. Some of our guests, they are buried, they not be born. Esther Adokpaji contribute a lot to a lot of our women where they buried today. Esther Adokpaji contribute to a lot of our women who become single mother today. Esther Adokpaji contribute to a lot of our women who become a ZAZ association. You know, say Sumo Betman Esther Adokpaji bill. Because why? She na piang bayame, no be ole piang bayame. She herself can't get many godfather, many women, many babalawo where they stand, where they type those medicine. You know why? All this men they leak bekos. You know why they leak bekos? Esther Adokpaji, they are among people where they work for a lot of boys, where they leak bekos. You know, say women don't know why if men leak your bekos, you don't know why the man they leak. I've heard tell now one was saying when Oyibo they look and leak and they use and do something. Our boys can't detect say something they to leak and become great. They can't they leak bekos. But when they leak your bekos, they will come to destiny. When it comes after disguagua, Esther Adokpaji, you never reach destiny's town. I will disguagua destiny. I will disguagua you. I don't like as an Uyedo talk show presenter. I don't like somebody who is lying, deceiving, frustrating our women, deceiving them, killing them as a father. With disguagua destiny, Ebagwa. Let me disguagua Esther Adokpaji, the useless woman that are frustrated, her ex-husband. I want to tell you, Esther Adokpaji, you where God give gift, you not utilize the gift of God. Now you not come say, you know this problem we can see. So where Esther Adokpaji contribute to destroy a lot of people's life. How can Esther Adokpaji, a woman, go plan with man to kill her fellow women? You go do a juju, carry and go Hussein, carry and go Joba, carry and go Ushi, carry and go North, carry and go Uroboland, go do medicine. Put for Destiny Bagwa penis. Put for Destiny Bagwa mouth. When Esther Adokpaji they draw this medicine, now I make una see say when any woman when people say men when they lick bekos they look like a goat, they lick the bekos. Those women go no correct. They pack money give them. 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 Esther Adokpaji have contributed to destroy a lot of married women. Have contributed to make a lot of women to remain barren. And that cause, that thing when you do Esther Adokpaji, when you make our young girls, oh baby, when they preach, make women marry, make women born. Me go they preach, make women marry, make them born. May I see the joy of our women. Esther Adokpaji, you as a mother, you go begin to sharp to let they go lick your fellow woman bekos. Make the woman tomorrow, the woman destiny go turn upside down, the woman not go begin born again. Esther Adokpaji, that thing where you do that the ancestors go ask you, the gods are angry with you because the eyes of the gods said we are angry with what Esther Adokpaji did. You said you are no weirdo. We stood by you. You must speak out this morning to disguagua Esther Adokpaji, disguagua Destiny Bagwa. Let me one know for the atrocity of what they have committed against human, for the atrocity they have committed, making a lot of women to be barren, for the atrocity they have committed, making a lot of women to remain condemned single mother. Esther Adokpaji, Umaru Ewona, ìyàwó òkèòkè òwò Emma, òkèòkè òwò Emma, Okeke patron awe mi na. Umana fi we keke patron de. So I will disqualify you. Hello. Koyo, yeah.
You.
Eh?
But now I know you're a truthful man. I believe in you. God will bless you.
Amen.
Because he was sad before, I'm your good follower.
Yeah.
He's sad before, but now I believe God will bless you. God will bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So now I'm very, very angry. Because why? A woman go plan, make them go destroy your fellow woman. You sit down. Where Obono Bennett gave Destiny Bagua. You sit down. Who Obono Bennett Destiny Bagua? You are condemning women in boom. But you not only condemning the European women, you were condemning Nigeria, Edo actress and actors. Esther Dokbayi. In one way, Sunni, a talent in women, is it given to you by the devil or by God? But I know you are second in command after the devil himself. Esther Dokbaji has big post for a woman to come out, Esther Dokbaji, to become calling. Now, I want to tell the world how they get that this thing of Esther Dokbaji, that phone where they share the naked picture go. Naked picture, the voice, no, maybe naked picture, and this gets now for to our friend, and our friend. Now, those things still come out. Where be said, everybody take get this conversation. When Monica they get so, it was cause who be this make money not friend. Hello. Hello, my brother. I tell what I call him any match. I on issue in one time. He reprogram tonight. Tell you anyway, but he was reprogram.
My brother.
Oh yeah, go on.
Because I calling on this soon. A woman, when you are going on the 23, the near wish.
Yes. Hello. You okay? You on? Okay. Now, Esther Dokbaji has cleaned a woman where be say. If they kill, they take woman womb. I want to let someone and office say when Destiny Bagua they leak those people say they leak out for normal leaking. No. That leaking of people get meaning. Hello?
Hello, Padamo.
Koyo.
What's the one now? Sabo Adebawe.
He said.
No yana ya calling. Now when I talk about the starter, now because a boy and I know who the last 2 years, Louisi, I mean no bear. The barracky now yeah, no bear boy because according to the news, here with Adam was in the boy ni. A boy ni na one ya Louisi no for 4 hours.
Yeah, obvious Sanina Beni.
Yes, nobody know me no believe industry because in the only in the do tomu, in the only do matter anybody no give you a Bible. So I start na yaka kabo no tie no because I don't need money if you kwa boni. Ite wa lucky huage kakabo but the way I'm a man of you kwa boni my brother. Also na when you call if you do young referee ya like when you are going your cause a boy na man no be domo.
Listen. Esther Dokbaji, it go they collect people name, go babalawo to destroy them. My mama better tell now wetin make them collect all those voice record wey una sing. Na Sanja Agbogu and Sanja Agbogu no go fit deny this one. Sanja Agbogu, all of that with the first message, I will not plan go kill Sanja Agbogu. But Sanja Agbogu, na same people will go beat us and achieve that phone. Yes, we will talk that one because we go carry them go our Benin. Sanja Agbogu, Esther Dokbaji, there's a better they will go swear that land. Because why? We know say the thief for the beater. We know say Sanja Agbogu do this one well. Now the gods make us make they send the boys. Make they go beat Esther Dokbaji when they say boy beat Esther Dokbaji when they take cheap that phone. This the one that they see this was record now beat Esther Dokbaji when they cheap the phone. And as I go send people make they capture Esther Adokpaji because they don't fight with medicine. Now it's juice. Sadagogu said, now I want to choose my make guys. Because Sadagogu will not say, why will down in one way or the star. Because if they make boys, no, they have a mission. Man, we know that one, but only can have a loe. No, you can't pay star there. Star, Dokbaji, making a more Star Dokbaji. And we done have a destiny bagua. And I'm with destiny bagua. And I'm with Star Dokbaji. And you can have a agua. I must with destiny bagua. I must with Star Dokbaji. Undawo Oriaro. Hello?
Hello, je la vais te moyen expliquer.
Gumego. Obe. Yeah. Nuga always one of say amana me prove when we hear do touch me. Me mana me prove me egwan mi. He me prove. Each time any can we prove me, he me prove in. So now we now this guagua Esther Adokpaji, this guagua Destiny Bagua, Sanja Agbogu yere mi down wo emi ni ka we no when sometimes this kingdom of God super value and value to carry back on. Yeah, all when ni aya crap ni aya gbesa Adokpaji yon get cook ni gbe. Eyin egbe na ye phone ni na do my am so e make mo Sanja Agbogu baby ni no uni. O sanika we Sanja Agbogu we my am so now it's ya di Madam, I worry, Madam. Look at this. We're going on later on. Ciao. 10:15. My time go. So now we want to disquagua Sanja Esther Adokpaji. Esther Adokpaji don't become evil for movie industry. Esther Adokpaji don't destroy a lot of our Nigerian women for Europe life. Now make a lot of our women come become single mother. Esther Adokpaji go do medicine for Destiny Bagua. Destiny Bagua go carry the medicine. Now you see and say Destiny Bagua, all those women in the leak pekus. I mean they talk about the leak women pekus. Destiny Bagua, if you have to wamana anything leaking of pekus. Sanja, Mona Bako. Mana you know tell that the animal have a video voice conversation. When it or our body a vision redo. A body is Esther Adokpaji une a Destiny Bagua or I wear a Destiny Bagua other wear body we are wear abi woni ara and that is a body ya wear unu oyemi unu oyekia other munu yo other sia ba emi ya no we ga bi je wa da me other sia emi agwari or I see am a Destiny iponi a Destiny iponi no muni omo Omu emi ya mama gogo woni ora imu o ya destroy oponi a life ana ina wa gun egun hello
The pastor mo salamu
go your boy minister
now you have to contribute me here
o ya wa 20 minutes because na wa gun
now ya me ti gun
na
okay if you to menu so mo wa ya damu hello
madam your work one
is that Oma I to support anybody Oma meti ya gebo umeti ya gebo Oma mi when Adokpaji na gebo or yoda bo Oma meti yoda bo ya pin gbe
Ami problem me gebo dami o me mo lokun dami o me thank you
Oni ma but on meti gebo because me we eventually no like to gebo na do but on young boy ya popo oni ma understand it and it talk about the world well take to more topic in because this was the topic never onu take to more who we matana
yes
then it's Sandra Agbogun reje it's Sandra Agbogun yema be free you pet extra na be a few pet here onu eva agbina iya shupin afipejegbe eke oma mi we no extra na walabia mama iri ni Sandra be uwe koko so I
Sandra here I'm a chairman or a friend or friend when I get not to describe Sandra emi no ga uwe to you not to describe all lele bia bu emi sunu hallelujah me emi ya mo we do talk show imo owo no na my me the link ni na my quality imana me prove in a one, but me to me prove in a start up by your destiny bagwa. When you figure destiny bagwa, you go me na agbina na ina wa
Doctor.
Ama you go ni me.
Doctor Faye. And your funny and when many women who were social media now. Iya only a picture when you are time when but when you are the action you have to okay no forgive you now because me or son of wet akabo. Try no other way who to beg go to gele do me to say they will not gele soon. Most women want gele la dia confess about destiny bagwa when you are collective opinion. They pay really ma so on your my contribution now where you do. Ni Allah ni ya mu wo ne opia. Bye
bye. Yes. It's don't baji. On my piano, on my down. I don't want ever yell, be able on why I don't baji or man a seeker. All your lads are social media to dig well. If you are doing my boy here, as I don't baji, where the social media, have pepper soup in our town area, so pepper soupy. Una time when social media president. Hey, over here, you where? In a way, said, don't baji na untano. No jila. Heskendobaji was able to manipulate destiny to destroy our women life. And waiting pay me, destiny bagwa have been deceiving and condemning our women. Not be saying very good though. Mona live if every man, unwema, and unwema, muda if or a strong even man. Destiny bagwa, where wa mudia. O salobana liekia na ya awe. Esta to baji we boye yo wonu. Etesi bagwa odo. For what? Just to condemn our women, you take their destiny, who your destiny or worry man. Who your destiny if we might get him your mobile. If you might get away, in your life wako. Why we? Hello? Oh, if you so you see, Emine Essanja, Dobaji Gau, Dobaji, no sovereign at your bay. When a Nika out your bow, Ewa Essanja sovereign your bay. Oh, a Nika or more will tell you. Oh, if you don't need mamma, if you don't need ya. No, see any women go word on when you hear the picture back where single mother must marry. Or when man or see any women 19 marry or where's that Dobaji Deba. And now we're a Monica is now a Monica and ma because a Monica and ma will book the Ayoto. And now we made the Monica and I'm with problem with the Monica when ma. He only when we have to my figure I pay me, I pay me. Yeah, end up paying me, I come up payment. Oh, yeah, be this going away, never destiny period or period, you know what I mugu. Pay me, who pay me? Oh, my payment, I'm not my family. But all I want, I got to get the proof. A proof, remember, I do gay. You got me a proof in it, then I disgua you. Because me de barre, because me de barre, Emma, no, don't tell anything. No, they have it all time, and I wait till you, they call me for. Hello? Adela, program. Adela, call me later. So, hey, now Dobaji have destroyed it with my life. Instead, Dobaji, Ojo Tijoba, Oji Yoko Yomo, oh, when we were waiting. Again, money boom, like again, I need my again, and never ya shit, yana. Again, and 1 minute, need my again. Then my again, and this Esther Dobaji be our women, and my idea. I want to show you what Esther Dobaji did. What's up? 1 minute again, Nana. This girl. Again, I got yana. Esther Dobaji, or our weapon. Esther Dobaji, I were born again now. And a destiny back one or a lala because again now. Again, I'll share the video again. I'll send a picture. Nick and say destiny back one here. Or see that way a destiny back one. Now can take a picture again. Now can screenshot again now. ya get wo ya about this issue of this girl my yatem now. Destiny bagwa de oka skin even again now. Oka si show eva. Oh, wa mujane France place wait hold on. E destiny bagwa na ka skin short a pitch more again again. Or skin short a pitch again now. On time again again. O mana we go gume. Ya mo ni kenesi we ladian. Wa ge no suno. Yeri we ni ya no skin no pa ni kana are destiny bagwa. When I ask him short a picture again now, una wa money get picture again in Ladian. Okay, now we okay. A woman you go near again, I carry 5,000 you go in a destiny background. You want your pattern when you carry ama. Oh, a first place. Who be this? Hello? Hello?
I try one.
I agree. Yeah.
This is Abbas Obaze calling from Nigeria.
Hey, this is great Abbas Obaze calling from Nigeria. Yes, 4+4. Owagba. Owagba. Yes, so. Owagba. It's all, Baba. This honorable Abbas Obaze.
Idari Munanu, where social media now, maybe because of a politics, we may follow some of all these stories. Where Ezoro, Destiny, Agbogu, Sandra, Ijenije, may follow up really Kakabo because of really busy media. Where Agboyati, Anarati, movie
yes. Oh no.
After this your broadcast, they all were calling me, they were going one-on-one.
Okay.
When we enter now, he said, when he supported scheming, oh dear, I rubbish here, if I even see a dear, I have a rubbish here, if I destiny we have I will want to work on the power the God forbid the bonus. I'm not the money well and the well. I will present any kind of move, pay you, my lack of way, now. All these things, we look at the future of the person, we look at the future of the children, we look at the future of say, I'm not even a Belgian way back where. Most of these guys, the woman here, if you are where you don't play most of these videos on internet. And if I was again, we need to know it. The man, the bull, the man like us again, in America, the one who wants to work, the children, Thailand, here, the information you have, it don't scream, here, what my about with me, here, Mulada, not with the rock, more, even because I'm mad and that way. You understand? But so when the matter, everywhere I'll be going to the road, the government will do. If I live where I'll be going to why I'm here, that day, yes, she may have a time about every another time I Mulada with Lagos.
Oh, networking way. Oh. Hello. Oh, you know, Nana Batabaze phone. Oh, Otin Agua. Even Nana phone. Because Batabaze was saying something reasonable to me just now. But that was happening me. I don't know where I feel with the time. I don't know feel with Muyo. You understand? So, network busy. Okay, networking on Metetia Batabaze back. I will network busy to boy. This me on I will network busy. So we no got time no time. I understand. On that way. I said okay. United Kingdom we come. Hello. Hello. Caller from UK. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, I'm calling from the UK.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, am I talking to Efeyi right now?
Yes.
Hello.
You are talking to Efeyi now. Go on.
Okay, yeah. You know, what we are doing, I don't understand now.
Yeah.
What we are doing, and I'm imagining now I ran into your live video right now, and I don't really know. How can we come together and be united? Now, Abatobaze Wakolibana, he said the very right thing. You know what I'm saying now? Abatobaze spoke very well. And I believe that guy, and I believe what he's doing for the governor, and I believe the governor is supporting.
Yes.
You know that. So when Abba called, I listened quite very carefully, and I want to congratulate him for what he said. Can we just let us use our social media to promote a don't name? You understand? Whoever has offended.
And then Apato will bet you now. You get for you will bet you now before you have to back.
Yeah. Whoever has offended you, forgive him. Can we come together? Definitely, Bagua a donor, Ovia donor, a Dopai Esther, Ovia donor. You know, everybody that's involved in all this is can we come together and move a donor, both us in the diaspora and those in Edo State? You know, this divisive nature. They are more united than us. You see that most of them, they are. How can we?
Only one few. Hello? Hello?
Networking about
okay, how about you go? Hello, go and tell me what about? Only one few.
Let me just round up so that I can give opportunity to other people to also call in.
Yes.
Now, every meteo the meu, ave tima ya ni lewe bona, ke destiny, oba perfect. Emaro no kare wuyo bona, emaro no everywhere mi da. Ese dokwa emaro no everywhere wuyo bona, emaro no everywhere mi da. Aga dige isroga gboya, ami o ma lewe yo pa na ri laja. Na aka we o ma wanna say so if you only me away now. No try because of most of these people now. It's so comedian, it's so artistic. Now the root them in after mama another year career. We are getting a covenant to my life. So it might attack a brand of as a musician. I just said as a musician you're not supposed to be using your voice to say that don't let me I didn't go there. And since that day now, so because of the future, you understand? Not try, not try and bring everybody back. Because tomorrow now, I Obama boy the details because what Chevron will defend the day. Over your defended day. No more the your over your day. So Sabapa or a Muya will not allow. The rest of our will be and that's kind of water it down. What the rest of all we are going and so wrong. Their option is just to commit suicide. Here we are. If we give us so large, if we need a lot, if that's all right, if we like the one me, but it's so loyal to our me. And another when I have settled down, I have reasonable business, I have programming bomber, I set it. So I say you have one of the best platforms as far as those social media is concerned. Yeah, when we bought down your way. You understand? Because we're almost side on what the boss side on and you come back to the person and fire the person. Come and then we are different destiny. Man, I feel be destiny all the good way. But now, we don't miss some information, but not try. Not allow. Not try, not allow. We don't support anybody. I don't want to know anybody's story, but let's try to key this matter so that Edo will unite. Now we go. Even the Buron will hear the old man. The Domana. After this broker, we can let them hear one right now. After this broker, try to reach them one after the other. I sure will not be here. If we are not soon better, it's a guy it's a guy for the rest of our run, it's a guy, so you will arena. It's one more, it's one right now, we are right now. It's a guy, okay, so now we go. That China is the platform, they bring everybody together. Not really happy. Nobody have to know, okay, or the happy. I go here, so everybody can work together. If I can when I don't buy a perform, they show me, only if you don't buy. Well, I said, I tell you, you need done, but don't let me say the music of area. I mean, you say so on my whether you need a kid, no matter where she can. So she can perform. I believe say on lessons already for me. I don't soon now. I mean, the near no my lesson.
at least here where a picture destiny or Italy is somewhere. But next time I lose God so I came and watch away. I lose God because I'm no real.
At all. Shall claim about Obaze has spoken. Great about Obaze. That is it. 4 plus 4 to Wagba. That was the honor. So 4 plus 4 to Wagba. Governor Obaseki for 2020 to Wagba. 4 plus. Thank you about Obaze. Yeah. So my people, my name no sunu emi ana unane. So train out to now. My makana oranyo. Bia senata Esther Destiny Bagwa Agwa Madomere Unyima Tosini Yanyi Neyasi Wima the book or Tobo Ewebu Undona okay kakabok by Maudi okay kakabok dan Unyima Tosi the Destiny Esther Dopali
one of the universe.
It was
Hello, it's
Thank
you very much. I can see what you are doing a very good job. First of all, I have to congratulate you for that.
Yes.
Hello?
You done your way, madam, your way.
Because you want to call them to order, in the first place, when ya blackmailer there is wrong thing. So all these people that are doing bad things, okay, they have to pay for it.
Yes.
I was here to calling, that way, water it down, take it down. I am in Europe here, and I see what most of our Benin boys are doing. The little few of them are following the names of the very good ones. How can you a Benin guy take a woman's photo and be threatening to expose it? Then other or they were calling to that way water it down, let's take it down. Now, how many people have you scammed like this before? How many people, how many marriages have you ruined? How many homes have you destroyed? But we were committed a crime different crimes that they are committing here and there. Then let us put our name. When they are doing their rubbish, do they think of the Benin name?
Yes. That'll be over.
What I'm saying, let us use. Don't let these people manipulate your platform to start saying, let's water it down, let's do this. You are doing a very good job.
Yes.
If they want to repent, all the pictures of the guests that they have collected money from, they should start returning all the money. All the money they have made illegally, they should return all of them. Then we will know that they are calling for restitution. Hey, where I you but why in because of the future. Whenever we have your money in future, we can't worry.
Ma, if you don't want a time up, where's the color? Me pick a last one now. Me pick a last. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Hello, yeah. What? Talk now.
Are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you.
Yeah, I'm calling from America.
Low, where you are calling from?
Okay. I'm calling from America.
From America, yeah. What is your contribution?
So I want everybody to settle down, to settle this issue once and for all. So it's a big disgrace to us why we believe and disgracing ourselves on Facebook. Okay?
Yes.
So I've been seeing your work and I've been seeing the way you are settling this issue.
Yes.
So I want you to settle everybody, call everybody. If you have their phone number, call everybody and settle everybody once and for all.
Okay.
Don't join anybody, okay?
Okay.
I really appreciate your work. Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you. Yes.
God
Thank you.
bless
Yeah, Baba. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah.
Pardon.
Koyo.
Yo, vamos a.
Koyo.
Mi ni a contribute yo. Na bati na pe bado ata lo geri yen gwale e peace na mi ni ga ro be di onu ka ge na ya gwale peace. E mata na ke awe ne do unit. Emi so aga tun wa do na. Oge o na wa ri abi oge ebo de straight for.
Dami o me oge mo ata meji on side ge ni bo ni akodo to ni bo. Dami o me o.
Muzia mo tiewe understand me ko we go because card ya tiewe ibi ko plan me tamu we o ma ari abe idi abogori e no te ebo ya be straight forward ma be we show ni no te wa we show ni te no te wa get 2 minutes na wa pa na because every kaje immediate to good change maybe ya bribe we anything in time the immediate ya bribe say because say it je very o no dey straight forward they say no. Esta dia benoria. Maybe Sandra na be ladia. Ave di dia be ogene. E dey that ogene you talk.
We me ari go ni me a mo we ladan go we na. Ba di go me.
Okay me na tage. Okay me na tage. Ba me dogele believe we keep to promise we. E tell you we out there for where you man and nobody should call. Out there for where you ki wa ga gwa na ya interrupt you ala tie. Na go ya kan you tie me no atale. So why for no care on the phone where that already will contribute. No contribute, no comment to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now to this me, now my program is there me anosunu. Now there yanenia. I've seen this issue. Now Esther Dokpaji, I'm waiting me now ni amuyo. Esther Dokpaji, Destiny Bagua. We are not involved Sandra Agbogun ni ye time na yo no wa call him ya Johnny Matana before now because why Esther Dokpaju Uriabe Destiny Bagua Uriabe unda mi dan mi atosi unyin me danu yin Uriabe Sandra Agbogun ya be tama ko na ya be yen me wo game na gbesta na ya mi e fun but we mi no ma be ba ni onika gewe because I am you to temi ya no sunu na. Again, no more picture là dedans. On da me ma débat on more picture là dedans. Il m'a conclu maintenant. Il want da bo yare ma we ni tie ma he gave majority win the vote. E why not call this way they should call. Sandra Agbogun, Destiny Bagua, Esther Dokpaji should call me before now till 12 o'clock because 1 o'clock I will be out again on this program. That way avec les cotes Yahweh nous d'amarrer quand les cotes ils suspendent case now always 2 hours but so cote ebo I be a change mini now but so we a change but un that way a destiny me mi e nyuma to si onyi ala la bien o e nyuma to si Esther Dokpaji un that way wa mi oni bon ma bari yan pete bari he only wa call him before 1 because he got radiant again before 1 o'clock to talk on this issue. I gave you, everybody saw me now we here before 1 near man. Before I come to find him in Obuno, I'm take all that down. He can't want in near man. And only my me when the edge show me on the 23rd of Saturday, near get see one in so. But only my head disquagua Esther Dokpaji, she must be disquagua. Unda monta will be that you is that Ionisa. So you better Ionisa. Unda mana go Esther Dokpaji, unda why you worry. That will take me down, all you down. Oh, say, you have to call me, and you, Destiny Bagua, have to call me, and I joined this case to 1 o'clock. It took me to no what time is that? Dokpaji, Destiny Bagua, Sango, near before now, that way, I'm joining the case now. That way, Oriaro, Orion Pano, Orion Nicano, Orion Yano, also, not me. Ina la dans le thème et nous avons evidence ni quoi alors as far as evidence in I must disquagua those that are guilty for that supposing that wa work ku gbo ti odo level isi oba e na we ni do level ni go ba do le doju o we police na me no uye do tosun e de ba ka gbiyan e de ba yan gbika I do level ni se o ya pe da wa mi ya no bu ne sound the Dokpaji Destiny Bagua even when they are talking pepper soup that social media president okay kakabo dame and the social media president na be gbin na now So Esther Adokpaji ye time now wa ni bia udewo ya not tie ban when he in the dad of extreme in had to go and he own wa ya be go on the platform why can you make on the platform go wa go to go on that way ya wa ya be no ya be ya say no ya say no wa kere wa that saja Esther Adokpaji oriyawo in orionba in orionika in orimaya in eyo no destiny baba that way oriemi you know ya la vient emi no gba iyo ni enu we nu gumekun a ni ma make na do emi na ha uyo na gun a na mo fure yo na miere ofure da miere dete nu ya la ni awe ni de tu scrape ba lock ni ko ni bu ni ma make na be na ya awe me o ni we ma marry because single mother must marry. So that is me iyi ude no piata no uta udona na we ni gbedo bedene na later ichi I give you people now. Everybody, I will be out again 1 p.m. Thank you. See you all on my next program. Ethiopia, you might pick a call. I only have a program that way I want this. 1 o'clock here. Sandra Adokpaji, Destiny Bagua, Adokpaji, Sandra Sadoka. We call him. Ikegwa. Unda Sadoka no carry amo issue wa lo opia pelu ya mo ba lock ni pia be na we le share my so ya wulo ibi mo po nu ya duge yan egeni yan lati disgwa gwa we egeni unda ya send me no book me egeni ke no bo ni we le Spain abie mi ina we history ni unda ni ina we keep me no book or say unda we wari e boya on we are destroy movie industry ni unda bo ni ya gbe you wa gbe amebo be ni we na you gbe bo we ni ya ito ya ri abi opia o ke ni ya go ba dole doji ena yagia ivyo boye me na yagia ni ma ti bi e to temu e igwa lo for that simple reason awa no me no uye do tosho the kokobiri master husband to all single mother me no I need the truth not be the truth e ya fure ya wa dagbu wa without wa ma confess wa mi fure e do na e na ya I to samu that's wash up 1 o'clock ciao wa take 1 o'clock en ya la dia bye bye.